I have no talent and no one will ever care about my videos. I shouldn't even start a channel. Been there, said that. Starting a YouTube channel is seriously difficult. It can be so hard to make the voices go away. Don't worry, right now, I'm gonna explain step by step exactly what to do to make a killer video and end your fears. After watching this video, you will start making your first video and then you will upload it. And I don't take no for an answer. Tell me, what do you feel when I say 100k views? Heartbeat becomes higher, eyes start running around. Sounds familiar. I have bad news for you. You care too much about numbers. Right now, your channel is far too small. You're just starting, figuring out how everything works. Everyone who's starting a YouTube channel gets their aim wrong, and that completely messes up the compass. All that matters right now is how much time you're spending on your channel. And I have a simple solution. Make working on your channel a part of your life. Start slow, for example, by devoting a couple hours of your Monday, researching topics and ideas. Then on Tuesday, you come up with your own ideas for videos. On Wednesday, you spend an hour writing the script. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday can take you days just to finish the script, and then a week to shoot everything. But you have to do it no matter what. Take it slow, don't rush things. Remember, it takes at least a week to build a habit. And the hardest part about this is not actually working on videos, but doing it for the sake of it, without focusing on the results. If you don't see a goal and end of your journey, finding motivation is hard. The only thing that's harder than that is seeing flops one after another. Some videos will, that's just how it is, and when they do, it's very tempting to start making videos with no care and effort. Why should I even try if no one will watch in the first place? After you get your first subscribers and returning viewers, you might come to the idea that now you have to do the effort and make the good videos, but it's a fundamentally flawed approach. If your videos are bad, they will never get into recommendations. Your videos won't be seen if you don't do everything the right way right from the start. You need to make every video count, and even the first video you make should make you proud. So yeah, 2 pieces of advice in one. Focus on working on your channel regularly and go all out right from the start. Because there is a principle, if you spend an hour doing something for a year, you will become better than 90% of people doing it. On YouTube, that translates to 10 to 20,000 subs, but don't. I repeat, don't even think of numbers and video's performance. Make sure each video is the best one you ever made. Another great way to finally start doing something is imagine yourself a game developer. When games are made, developers start by creating a prototype. They come up with core gameplay mechanics, maybe a location or two, a quest, and so on. Then this prototype gets advertised, developers collect feedback, and they go from there. The same goes for you and your channel. Why should you make a video about something you're really interested in if you have no clue what the title is gonna be? Think of a video title first. Try to find ideas that could potentially blow up. You can even skip researching. Just look what videos are booming in your niche and think of something similar but with a personal twist. Then create a content plan, which is just a document with video ideas and preferably upload dates. Just take a piece of paper and start writing topics for videos one by one. The more ideas and topics you write, the better. I'd say that you should at least plan for 10 videos in advance. If you manage to come up with 10 ideas for videos, you will have a resource and more motivation, since you're gonna make it seem to your yet unconvinced brain that you are doing YouTube for the long haul, that YouTube is there to stay. And if you manage to stick to that content plan, then good. Then your videos will be released regularly, which positively affects the way algorithms treat your channel. Starting a channel is hard. It can be even harder if you're not doing this full time, when it's in addition to your 9-to-5 job or business. And thinking of all the videos, writing scripts, and everything else can easily become a chore. And that's what you want to avoid at all costs. An easy way out would be to reach out to professionals who know how YouTube works and how videos should be made in order to score. In the description, you will find a link, click on it, and we'll reach out to you. We'll be coming up with ideas, writing the scripts, doing all the research. We can do all that for you. We will design thumbnails that get clicks and titles that hook the viewer's attention. We can even edit the videos for you. And what's left for you is pressing the record button and talking to the camera. Very simple. We'll give you a detailed step-by-step plan and you just have to follow it. There's also a bit more difficult and time-consuming way. Learn how YouTube works by yourself. And for everyone out there who wants to be a one-man band, we've created a full-time YouTuber Academy where we share a bunch of useful lessons about everything YouTube, how to find ideas, how to design a thumbnail, how to edit the videos. We teach everything. So hit the link in the description and let's let the magic happen. Now, what else do you think stops you from uploading? People around you. All those loud mouths saying that you shouldn't do it, not believing in you. Their opinions, of course, aren't something you can control, but you can change your perception of that. And if you want to start uploading videos, you have to work on changing the perception. Most people aren't really considering YouTube as a real work or as a real hobby. They think that having a standard 9-to-5 job is better, more stable, and predictable, and it's hard to blame them for that. But since you're watching this video, you're not like them. You're different. You look into the future, you look for new things to do. And believe me, I know what you feel when someone says that it's not worth it. That uncertainty and fear, they eat your soul, turning you into a mindless robot. But you have to fight that. You must see every instance when someone doesn't believe in your YouTube channel as a proof that they are afraid that you're gonna make it. It's like the tale about crabs in a bucket. All the other crabs are pulling down the one crab that wants to get out, because if, or should I say when you make it, you will become an indicator to those people of their own demise and misery. Your success will show them all their mistakes, and they don't want that. Remember that. Regular people will never understand what you're trying to do with your channel, how important it is. Only other content makers can, those who experience the same journey. If you reach out to any content creator, you will get the same answer. Just do it. As cliche as it sounds, just do it. Every creator understands the importance of having a voice, sharing knowledge, opinions, and influence, because with that comes not only emotional growth, but also financial one. Big channel equals big money. There's one simple truth for you to remember. YouTube needs you. You belong on YouTube. And so does your knowledge, your experience, your ideas, everything you do. You may not be the best professional in your niche or the smartest man alive, and you don't have to be. The chances are your skills and knowledge are better than 99% of people watching YouTube. Whether you are a neuroscientist or a humble plumber, you definitely have something to teach. Think of all those creators you're subscribed to. They all have channels about something they know well. It can be tech, literature, programming, DIY, cosmetics, cooking, anything. And those creators are surely not the sharpest tools in the box. There surely are better specialists in those fields that know more and better, but those people don't have YouTube channels with thousands of subscribers. And no matter how smart they are, their opinions will still be considered less valuable than of a creator with a big channel. That's just how our psychology works. And that's where many of you are right now. You want to start making videos, but you have no idea what to make them about. To this, my answer is simple. Anything that you like and feel knowledgeable about. And again, you don't have to be an expert. As long as your knowledge is better than 70% of people, you're golden, because your personal experience with that knowledge is unique and no one can repeat the same journey. That's what makes your point of view valuable, the uniqueness of it. People want to hear your opinion, get advice from you, not from somebody else. And now your fear of losing and wasting time is limiting you, puts you in a box where you're both alive and dead at the same time. Only you can open the box and show that you are alive, that you're not standing still. I hope you feel a bit more motivated right now, because we're still not done. My next advice is to not rush into creating videos just yet. Read the Dragon Scroll. Yeah, the Panda Kung Fu reference. There is no secret to beating algorithms. There is no tactic that will make you popular no matter what. It's all about packaging your expertise, repping it correctly, and all you need is knowledge and opinions you want to share, and a little bit of rapping. And to rap your expertise, you don't have to be a YouTube expert. All you need to do is make sure people click on your videos and watch them as long as possible. That's all. You don't have to learn complex stuff in your niche or make the most in-depth videos possible. As long as people are clicking and watching, you're doing it right. But okay, you have the motivation. You think, I'll just think about it a bit more, gather my thoughts. Come on, why would you wait so long? Just start already. Start small. Start with one video a month, but at least you're gonna be already doing something. Just grab the damn camera, start shooting, and all those countless video guides you're watching, stop that. You don't need to know everything to get some results. All you need is to actually start doing something, as cliche as it sounds. You will figure things out on the way, and you can watch those videos while already building the channel. It will be the same 9-to-5 job you hate, same 2 weeks of holiday per year, same unsatisfied desire to be more. By sitting here and only dreaming of starting a channel, you're just wasting precious opportunities, wasting your resources, your time, and nerves. The earlier you start, the higher the chances. Of that I'm certain. So again, grab the camera and start making videos.